Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. 12 by 12 inch canvas and a desire to keep painting even though I just finished something I liked. And I want to spread some paint. This is Meeden black. I don't have a plan other than to use colored cell activator. This is Anita's white metallic. Quite a bit of it in that puddle. I've decided a puddle will work for me. This is Decorated Americana 24 karat gold that I'm This one should actually come out. Better top. Okay, now Atelier Cobalt Turquoise is my go-to right now. And I've got Pebeo iridescent gold mixed with Atelier rich gold. And I'm going to do a little bit more Meeden black because I know the Decorated Americana 24 karat gold and the Meeden black and the Anitas will all interact to create cells. So I'm going to put, I've also got Dancing Fuchsia cell activator, not much though. Let's just start with what we've got and see where it goes. Just scraping off my spatula as I go. Alright, it's time for me to go ahead and indulge in the cobalt turquoise. I'm just sort of intuitively filling in. I think I'm going to use a little more Anitas right here. And either more turquoise. I'm not sure what I'm going to use yet. I'm going to fill this in though. Because there's paint on my spatula and it needs to go somewhere, so it might as well go right there. Alright, I'm thinking of cleaning off the rest of my spatula is what I'm thinking. So I don't muddy up my colors any more than I need to. Run my finger right up the edge. Okay, so now I'm going to do it. More Dancing Fuchsia. Let it run right down. Spread right out. See if I can sneak my spatula into the crevices that are left behind. Borrow some paint from different places. I do have my rubber brushes. My silicone rubber brushes, and I can scrape some paint off. It's good to remember that I can do that. I might want to use them to make marks too. Got plenty of cell activator in here. I think I'm going to use this here before filling this in down here because I kind of like that white. And I have some in my dish from my last painting, so I'm going to use that. And I have some gold also. Not exactly what I had in mind, but that's okay. We're working on it. Got more gold. Not sure what to do with that. Not liking it that much. Don't want to scrape down to canvas. Don't want to eradicate any nice cells either. There, I kind of like that. That's alright. I'm going to take this white and add some cell activator. Every time I leave my comfort zone to use my rubber brushes, I'm feeling like I learned something new. But since there's no wet layer of paint on the canvas other than what I added, I really don't want to mess around too much with bringing up canvas. Although I like that little dot there. I'm wondering if I can use the paint that's leaching off my brush. Not only can I noticed that I've got more paint in my scrape dish. I wasn't really expecting to make a flower theme. We're approaching Valentine's Day. So I've been playing with hearts. That might still happen. Don't often do this, create patterned areas with dots, but it doesn't mean it wouldn't be a good idea in the future because I really like the way it looks. Thought I might make them into hearts, but I really don't at this moment care. I enjoyed myself playing with my colored cell activators until I got something I liked, and I like what I've got. Not 100% sure about what's going on in here. I can make some adjustments with a skewer, or even the little bit of paint that I've got left. It's dark. Good thing I use GAC 800 by Golden. I'm really tempted to use a little bit of blue. I don't know what I made it out of though. It's blue cell activator. It's a pretty color, that's why I want to use it. I honestly didn't expect anything to come up in the black, but I figured I'd try. I thought there might be some light colored paint on my tool. I think we're just about done. Do I want to do anything else? I really want to avoid hurting this because I like it the way it is actually. I want a little more gold though. Right there. Hoping that'll sell up, and even if it doesn't, I'm okay with it. Alright, It's a swipe. Where's my straw? Let's blow this around a little bit. I got some funky organic shapes in there. I want more of them too. Steal a little paint. Use my finger. Cool, I found a little dab of orange from the last painting that was in the residuals I was using in my scrape dish. And I've got a skewer. Maybe I can look and see if there are any hearts worth having. I think I just like the texture of what I've got. There's one heart. Let's see if we can get another one. That looks like canvas. I don't need any canvas. Let me just drag right down through the middle of all those. That's cool. I like that. I used to do that a long, long time ago. Alright, there's not a lot, but there's a few, and they're fun. I'm loving that texture, and I'm pretty sure it's going to keep bleeding out. Becoming more fuzzy, more integrated, more charming. Loving this. Really, I am. I'll torch when you're gone, so you won't have to listen to it. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, Volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.